Hey guys, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I'm your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Guys, I've come up with short sessions which will be more of practice sessions or sessions which will help you to speak English faster and help you in English speaking. So today I'm going to talk about collocations. What are collocations? Why it is required, and I'll give you examples of some collocations which you can start using it immediately. Okay, so what are collocations? Collocations are a set of words which go together. Okay, there are lots of words which goes together and it sounds very natural while speaking. So if you know these words, these collocations, it will be much easier for you to speak in English, and you will never be grammatically wrong as well. You will be able to use it in sentences, and it will be very easy for you to use and understand and speak faster. Okay, for example, fast train. We don't say quick train, right? We say fast train. So it was a fast train. The train was moving fast. Why collocations? Native speakers use collocations. These are very easy to use and it will help your brain to find it easier to process those phrases. Since it is a group of words, 2-3 words are spoken together, so it will be much easier for you to retain in your brain and speak faster, and it will be easier for everybody to understand your English as well. Okay, so that is why collocations are used, and it is very simple. I'll give you examples to explain it to you. Now, for example, we say quick shower. We don't say fast shower. We say quick shower. I'll take a quick shower and come. Strong wind. We never say fast wind. So that is why if you don't know words, if you don't know what to attach there, so you might say it wrong. Fast wind is blowing. No, strong wind is blowing, you have to say. So that is why you have to recognize the collocation and start using it in your sentences. It will be much easier for you to speak correct English, guys. Okay, and these are very simple. We say fully aware. We never say all aware. We are fully aware. Take medicine. We always say take medicine. We don't say eat medicine or drink medicine, right? We say take medicine. It will help you. Okay, you have a fever, please take medicine. We say this. Then catch a cold. If somebody has got cold, if somebody is sneezing, coughing, we say I caught a cold. So catch a cold. We don't say receive a cold or anything else. We say catch a cold is the right way to say. Okay, so these are different kinds of collocations. Now coming to another example is extremely interested. We say very much interested, but that is not correct English, right? We say that. But if we say extremely interested, it shows that is the correct way to convey something. Okay, extremely interested. I am extremely interested to visit the exhibition. I am extremely interested in knowing the proposal, or in knowing your proposal, or in knowing your project, in knowing your design. Anything you can add. As I said, fully aware. I am fully aware of the situation. Okay, next example is chain of events. Chemical reactions are a chain of events. Okay, so chain of events. These 3 words go together. Bar of chocolate. I have gifted a bar of chocolate to my daughter. I have bought a bar of chocolate for my daughter. Another one is gave a presentation. Okay, to give a presentation or give a presentation. So basically to give a presentation. So give a presentation is something which is used together. I wanted to give a presentation to my manager, or my colleague gave a presentation to the team. Right? Now there are lots of common collocations with certain words like have breakfast, have fun, have a headache, have an illness, have a good time. So these are some common collocations of the word have. Now, similarly, we have a lot of collocations of the word take. Take a bath, take advice, take medicine or take a pill, take a picture, take a shower, take your time. So these are also very basic, simple collocations which are used, which you need to remember. Another one is with make bed, make breakfast, make a cake, make a mistake, make some tea, make a wish. Okay, so these are some common collocations with the word have, take, and make. Do remember this, guys. It's really going to help you. I'm not going to come up with a sentence because it's very easy to use these phrases in your sentences. You have to do this. This is your task. So, guys, these were some of the collocations which I spoke about. What you can do is you can start using it in your own sentences. These are very common basic collocations, and try finding out more which will help you in your spoken English. Try to find things which will help you with your spoken English so that you learn things quickly. You learn to speak English quickly. And these are very good ways, phrases, idioms, collocations. These are very good ways of learning English faster and quicker. So try using this, start working on collocations, and you'll find it much easier for you to understand, relate to, speak, and use it in your sentences. Take it from me. That's it for today, guys. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, keep exploring, and keep practicing. See you. Bye-bye.